Okay. Fishy, fishy,
They glow in
fishy.
the dark.
Fishy,
They go in the
fishy,
door?
fishy.
Oh, nice.
Fishy, fishy. Look at all these nice fishy,
Different
fishy,
color.
fishy.
Pink.
Um,
Purple.
yellow, blue.
All this.
Oh, we love this.
Yeah.
Oh, tiny fish. Tiny fish. Oh, oh, there's a turtle here.
Yeah. Lots of.
Fish looks familiar to me.
Yeah.
There's a lot of Big turtle.
Yeah. So nice fishy, fishy, fishy. That grow. This one. Just hatch. Yeah. Wow.
Want some turtle? How about you, boy?
So much. These are the shark face. Shark. Lots of Nemo. Lots of Nemo, Nemo, Nemo.
It's parakeet, and that's a cockatiel.
Ah, it's a cockatoo.
Yeah. Cockatiel's like
So
the same.
cute. Lots of Nemo, huh? Nemo is everywhere. Oh, there is hiding. Nemo is hiding. This one grow in the dark fish. Super. Yeah, big fishy. So cool. These are the baby fish. They have a big fish too. They have plenty. I'll take you to the big fish. So fish.
I think Petco is across the street though, huh?
Yeah.
So just go there after Target.
Yeah. Yeah, Pitco has a lot of big fish. Oh, cute! Yeah. Oh, this one are all fish. All fish. Cute kayo. Cute kayo. Cute kayo. Birds. These birds speak.
Crab.
So cute. Hello, baby. So cute. Thank you guys for watching. Look, it's so beautiful.
That's Labrador.